Page 18, Joy to the World. 4/4 time. So we're counting to 4 and we're counting quarter notes. Starting out in the right hand with the fourth finger on the F. In the left hand, you have the second finger on a B, except it's got a flat sign in front of it, so it's a B flat. So instead of the B, you're going to play the B flat here. Here. So you're in middle C position, except you got a B flat. And there are B flats all over the place, and that's what we're going to do. So let's play the B flat. So in the counting, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Got dotted rhythms again. Hopefully you can get those by now. Again, of the dotted rhythm thing, see the rule for the dot is the same regardless of the note. Doesn't matter. We've had a lot of these dotted quarter notes. Well, the dotted half note is the same rule. We've had a lot of dotted half notes. So look in the second measure. You got a dotted half note here, and then the B flat. The half note gets 2 counts. The dot gets 1. Put them together, it's 3 total. And then whatever comes after that comes on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a dotted rhythm. It's the same as these dotted quarter note thingies, except you're not having to do 1 and 2 and, because the half note gets a full 2 counts. I don't know if I'm confusing you or making it easier for you. I'm trying to explain the dotted rhythms. If you know them, good for you. It's important that you be able to figure them out on your own. It's just a long short note is all it is. Over on page 19, let's go down to the third line down. You have a dotted half note, and while you hold that down, you're going to play the F and the A in the other hand. And there's staccatos, short, just with the wrist. Like that. And then on the last measure of that line, you're here. You're going to hold the B flat down as you do that. Now your right hand is moving around a little bit, because actually the right hand doesn't really move. The thumb stays where it is. The fingers are moving. It's because in the third line, and then in the last measure of that line, you're here. As long as you're aware of it, you're just moving around a little bit. But then you're playing the hands together at the same time is what I'm getting at. It's like at the top of page 19, where you're playing a B flat in the left hand and a D in the right hand at the same time. 2, 3, and then the next measure, play those together, and next measure, play all 3 of those notes together, and then lift up. Because it's the end of a phrase, you're silent. You know the drill on that one, I hope. So you learn it slowly, and when you think you've got the notes and you can play it without any hesitation, so come back and play it with me, and let's check to make sure you have the right notes and the right rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts, and we'll go through it slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2. Off. There's a duet at the bottom of page 18. I'd like to play that with you. We're going to go a little faster because this is a spirited piece. So we want to take it up to a little, maybe not full speed, but close to it. So you need you to go up the keyboard again. Go up an octave. You see here, just go up to here and play it all up here. There. So it would be like here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. About that fast. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go.